What's up, y'all? If you're new to the channel, my name is Aviana Zurin, and I produce lots of personal watercraft content. At the beginning of every riding season, I get lots of questions. And the most popular question is, what do I need for my jet ski? Either your riding season is about to start, or you just bought a new jet ski, or you're new to the PWC world and have no clue of what you need to start off with in your jet ski. So no worries. As you can see, I've gathered some items that I recommend every PWC owner should have. Now let's go over some of these. And these items are in no particular order. Wait, but before we start this video, go ahead and hit that like button already because I know you're gonna like this video. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's start the video. All right. First one we're going to go over is the PFDs, personal flotation devices, also known as your life vests. Now, any brand will do. You just have to make sure it goes to your weight and fits you properly, where these buckles will snap comfortably and you're able to zip your jacket all the way up. And depending on where in the world you live, in the US, it must be Coast Guard approved. Next, for safety, you're going to need a tow rope, recommended about 50 to 60 feet long. But in the Sea-Doo kit, you can find also your whistle. A whistle is a must. You have to have it while on the water. This also comes with a flashlight. That's very handy. And it also comes with another rope in here. And this is all a waterproof container. So if you own a Sea-Doo or you don't own a Sea-Doo, this fits perfectly inside your ski. And another safety item to have is a fire extinguisher. This sometimes is provided in your ski. If not, you have to purchase one, but make sure you purchase the correct size that will fit specifically for your ski. Now, if you dock your ski or you beach it, it's good to have bungee cords. Now these are made from Sand Shark. They come in different lengths. I usually carry about 2 each of different lengths in my ski because some people need them sometimes and they don't have any, or not all docks are the same. And I also use a plastic carabiner. Another accessory that I recommend people to get is a dry bag. You want to keep your stuff clean and dry, and also your valuable stuff dry, like your camera equipment or just your keys. Anything that you don't want to get wet, make sure you have a dry bag. Now, coming from a medical background, I'm always trying to be prepared for anything. So I recommend a first aid kit. Lots of things can happen while you're on the water, and it's really good to have a first aid kit, especially if somebody cuts themselves. So you can get bandages, waterproof band-aids, or even just like Neosporin, or something just to clean the wound. So a first aid kit is a must. And see, you have a small one, and then you have this other one that's in a waterproof bag and has a bunch of stuff in it. If you plan on anchoring your ski or beaching your ski, here are some items that are very useful. You have this PWC Super Rack sand anchor. If you're at the sandbar or in shallow water, all you got to do is just put this anchor into the sand and hook up your bungee cord and you're all set. You also have this sandbag. I haven't used it yet, but I definitely needed this on my last trip. All you would do is fill this bag with sand and hook your bungee cord up to it, to your ski, and there you go. Your ski shouldn't go anywhere. Now, if you plan on being in the river, bayous, or just need a grapple anchor, this one is by Sand Shark, and it's all plastic so it won't get beat up inside your ski, and it's very durable. So if you're not new to the channel, you know that I love going on long explorations, touring, just anywhere far. So having fuel jugs is a must for me. And I highly recommend you guys to at least have one jug that's dedicated to your ski. You don't always have to ride with it on your ski, but it's a great thing to have, especially if you don't want the fun to be cut short. So I was just out this past weekend and had a bunch of people come out riding, and they had new skis, but they didn't have any dock bumpers. And I was like, oh my gosh, I would hate for y'all to scratch your skis. So dock bumpers are a must. Now, if you have a Sea-Doo, they have these great ones that just snap in on the side fenders, and they lock in, and that's it. No messing with it. And I'll put the link right above here of how I installed mine. Or if you don't want to buy the Sea-Doo Link ones, or if you have a different brand ski, you can use these. These are kind of beat up, but these are called hull huggers. All you have to do is just latch on under the fenders, and then you would hook it on to your ski like this and pull on tight right here to make sure it doesn't move, and it'll protect your ski from dock rash. So if you want to keep your ski looking good, make sure you get some dock bumpers. And last but not least is a toolkit. Now I have a waterproof box here. I'm going to be gathering all my tools, especially for this Bahamas trip I'm going to be going on. I don't want to go into too much detail about what tools I will be putting in my ski, because every ski is different. You may not use the tools that I need, but examples are like a T30 bit or a 10mm socket. But I also usually carry this with me. It has a knife and it has pliers. It's just basically a whole universal thing, even with a Phillips screwdriver, flathead, scissors, pliers, everything. So having a toolkit is very important for you to have on your ski. All right, so that's my top 10 list of items that I feel every PWC owner can start off with. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, because it really helps the channel, and also share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, or even requests for a video, comment it down below. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it so you don't miss this upcoming riding season's videos. Because let me tell you, I'm gonna be putting some bangers out. I'm gonna be going to some of the most paradise riding, like Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, maybe Alaska, maybe Lake Powell, and maybe California. But until next time, see you guys on the water.